Thousands of years ago, our ancient Rishis already knew about the color of Mars, they knew about the movement of every planet, in fact, precisely up to a degree. That is how they made astrology. But how is it possible thousands of years ago, without any rockets, without any telescope, without a single machine? Modern science and our scientists is obsessed with exploring the outer world and the outer space, which is obviously very necessary for us. And that is why we are in the verge of technological revolution and we are using the highest technology of all times. But our ancient Rishis and our yogis did exactly the opposite. That is, instead of exploring outside, they started exploring inside through meditation. Because the Vedic knowledge is based on Yatha Brahmande Tatha Pinde, which means as is the macrocosm, Brahmanda, which is the universe, so is the macrocosm. If you study one tiny drop from an ocean, you can find everything about the ocean. The salt levels, the minerals, the DNA of the entire ocean, right? You don't have to study the entire ocean. Just study the drop and you will know the ocean. The modern scientist nowadays has been discovering the same thing. Fritjof Capra in his book The Tao of Physics writes how the atomic structures is parallel with the cosmic process, which means as is the atom, so is the cosmos. So our yogis have been doing the same thing. They have been exploring the inside to know the outside, which is the universe. The biggest problem in exploring the outer space or the outer world is the boundation of time. And the only solution is to go beyond time and space. There are various stages in meditation. One of the highest state in meditation is known as the state of Turiya, where your body is completely sleeping but your consciousness is awake. This is a state where the consciousness is detached from your body and you can experience true astral traveling, which is beyond time and space. So you can be exploring the outer space, the planets and the galaxies in the state of astral travel in no time, which is beyond time. This is how our ancient Rishis and yogis have explored the outer universe by exploring inside through meditation. I think it's high time for science to explore both the outer world as well as the inner. Please comment below what do you think. Om Namah Shivaya.